Hey, it's Joanna with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and I've brought my power team with me. I've got my oldest daughter, Madison, and baby girl, my grandgirl, Winnie Rose, with us today at our Red Hickory project. Today is a special day because this property looks so completely different on the outside. The contractors have been doing an amazing job, very quick with turning this thing around, and we actually have all siding, all new windows. The deck has been removed and the new deck is going in today. So I've got a lot of great things to show you of how this property has transformed within just a week. And so come on, let's take a look. So here you can see that we have all the deck material here ready to go in to create that deck in the back. That's going to be a 10 by 28 deck, so it'll be very big. Look at the exterior. I mean, this blue siding really pops, and once I get my yellow door on there, oh my goodness, this is going to be the apple of the neighborhood's eye. And I cannot wait to put a new homeowner in this beautifully renovated home. This is our second dumpster that's full. We had to actually take off all the previous siding that was there, which was aluminum siding. And once we pulled that siding off, there was actually no plywood behind it. So we had to go and re-plywood, or actually install plywood throughout the entire exterior to make this home safe and secure and very insulated. So someone's getting a very nicely done property. So as you can see, we have a new HVAC unit out here. The old one was kaput, so we had to put in a brand new unit. Still kept the same ductwork throughout, just new unit. And look at the new windows.
We're gonna be putting in a new deck today. These holes are for the deck foundation, and I am so excited to see how big and how beautiful this deck is going to be.
So this deck is going to extend all the way from this end of the house to the master bedroom entryway. So the master will have their own separate entry or exit from the house onto the deck. So here inside is completely different. We've gotten rid of all of the graffiti and evidence of vandalism. We've closed up the walls, nice even drywall. They've even painted in here already. They're painting as we go. The kitchen cabinets are in, and look at that fireplace. It's getting one more coat of white. Then we're doing a black mantle, black trim up top, and then the inside will also be black. I am super excited to see how far this property has come in just 1 week.
So here we're in our nice master bedroom with new paint, new windows, like she said. We're gonna put a nice ceiling fan up there, and in our master bathroom, we're gonna put a double vanity, a nice jetted tub, and a tiled shower.
So here, coming down the hallway, you can see that the graffiti is not there anymore. It's nice and bright through here. It makes the hallway look so much wider. And as we move further down the hallway, in this closet, we have the new HVAC unit that's been installed. We were able to remove the molded and deteriorating floor here. We replaced the OSB. Also in the bathroom, we've done the same thing. This bathroom is being remodeled. We are keeping the current shower and just glazing over it. We'll replace the fixtures as well. The laundry room here also has new flooring where the older one was deteriorating. And you'll see in the 2 bedrooms that not much has changed because not much needed to be changed there, but we have paint, and new windows. Flooring was fine in those rooms, and so now we just have to put in the closet doors and the flooring that'll go there. Hello, Pumpkin. Did you see anything? Am I doing a good job? No? Well, what do I need to do? So there you have it. Red Hickory is on its way to the finish line, looking good, but the next time you see us, it will be looking great. So stay tuned for more renovations. on Red Hickory. And then we have another project coming up shortly after that, also here in Charlotte. If you're looking to sell a property, give us a call at 704-755-5535. We'd love to work with you. Or you can shoot me an email, joanna@remnantres.com. Say bye-bye, Winnie. Say bye.